Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Enjoy English Talks, where every conversation helps you learn. I'm Judy.
Hello, Judy. Hello, everyone. I'm Jake. How are you today, Judy?
I'm really happy today, thank you. I had a nice morning. I made green tea and sat by the window. Very relaxing. And you, Jake?
I'm great, and I'm proud of myself today.
Oh, why are you proud?
Something happened at the coffee shop this morning. I ordered my coffee, and the barista said, "Would you like anything else?" And I said, "No, that's all, thank you." Fast, smooth, no thinking.
That's wonderful, Jake. Very natural.
But here's the thing. 2 months ago, I couldn't say that sentence. I always got stuck. That's, all, thank you? It was slow and awkward.
So what changed?
I repeated it again and again, at home, on the bus, in the shower. No, that's all, thank you. Maybe 100 times.
100 times?
Maybe more. And now, it comes out perfectly, without thinking, like breathing.
And that's exactly our topic today.
Repeating?
Yes, today we're talking about the power of repeating and why saying things again and again is the secret to speaking English fluently.
Repeating sounds boring, but it really works.
It's not boring, it's powerful. But first, we have a small request.
Yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks.
And share this episode with your friends and family.
Thank you. It helps us so much.
We love our listeners.
Okay, now let's start. Jake, many English learners ask me, "Judy, I know many words, I understand a lot, but when I try to speak, the words don't come out. Why?"
I know that feeling. The words are in my head, but my mouth can't find them.
Exactly. And the reason is simple. Your brain knows the words, but your mouth hasn't practiced them enough.
My brain knows, but my mouth doesn't.
Yes, there's a gap between knowing and speaking, and there's only one way to close that gap.
Repeating?
Repeating, saying things again and again, until your mouth remembers, not just your brain, your mouth.
My mouth needs to learn too?
Yes, your mouth has muscles, your tongue has muscles, your lips have muscles. Speaking is a physical activity, and like any physical activity, your muscles need practice, repetition, again and again.
So English isn't just in my head, it's in my mouth too.
Exactly. And today, I want to share a very important idea with you.
I'm ready.
Repeating is not boring. Repeating is building.
Repeating is not boring. Repeating is building. I like that.
Say it again.
Repeating is not boring. Repeating is building.
Yes. Every time you repeat a word, you're building something. You're building a road from your brain to your mouth. Let me explain with 3 stories from life.
Let's hear 'em.
Story 1. Think about learning to ride a bicycle.
A bicycle? Oh, I remember learning to ride.
What was it like the first time?
Terrible. I fell down many times. My dad held the back of the bicycle. I was scared.
And could you balance?
No, I wobbled left and right. Wobbled means I moved side to side. I couldn't go straight.
And what did your dad say?
He said, "Try again, one more time."
And you tried again.
Yes, and I fell again. And he said, "One more time, again and again."
How many times did you try?
I don't know, maybe 50 times? Maybe 100. I fell so many times. My knees were red and sore.
But one day,
my dad let go, and I didn't fall. I just kept going, straight, fast, free.
after all that repeating, all those falls, all those one more time moments, your body learned.
My brain knew how to ride a bicycle from watching other people, but my body didn't know. Not until I repeated it many, many times.
And now?
Now I can ride without thinking. It's automatic. I don't think about balance. I don't think about pedaling. My body just does it.
Because your body repeated it so many times that it became natural, automatic. The same thing happens with English. You repeat a phrase many times, At first, it's hard. You stumble, you trip over the words, you forget them. But after many repetitions, your mouth just does it automatically.
Like riding a bicycle. First you fall, then you fly.
Story 3. Think about music.
I love music.
Have you ever watched a musician practice?
Yes, my cousin plays the guitar.
And when she practices, what does she do?
She plays the same part again and again, the same notes, the same melody, over and over.
Does she play the whole song every time?
No, she plays one small part, maybe just 4 notes, and she repeats them 10 times, 20 times.
And at first,
It sounds a little wrong, slow. She makes mistakes.
and after 20 repetitions,
It sounds perfect, fast, beautiful, like the notes are dancing.
that's the power of repeating. Musicians know this secret. They don't learn by playing a song once. They learn by repeating small parts many, many times until the fingers know the notes, until the hands move without thinking.
Like my mouth with English. I need to repeat small phrases, not learn whole conversations, just small pieces, again and again.
Exactly. One phrase 10 times, 20 times, until your mouth plays the notes automatically.
My mouth is a guitar. My words are the notes.
And repetition is your practice. Story 3. Think about walking.
Walking.
Yes, a simple thing. Walking on a path in the forest.
Okay, I like walking in the forest.
The first time you walk on a new path, what's it like?
It's hard. There are rocks, fallen trees, tall grass. You walk slowly. You look at the ground. You're careful.
And the second time you walk the same path?
It's a little easier. I remember the rocks. I know where to step.
And the 10th time?
I know every turn, every rock. I can walk fast. I don't even look at the ground anymore.
And after 100 times?
There's a clear path. The grass is flat. The rocks are pushed to the side. It's smooth and easy.
You created a path by walking the same way again and again. Repetition made the path.
Oh, that's what happens in my brain.
Yes, every time you repeat an English phrase, you're walking that path in your brain. The first time is hard. The second time is easier. After 10 times, there's a clear path. After 100 times, the path is smooth. The words flow out without effort.
Repeating builds a path in my brain.
Yes, scientists call these neural pathways. Neural means brain, pathways means roads. You're building roads in your brain, and the more you walk on them, the smoother they become.
Neural pathways. N-E-U-R-A-L. Neural pathways.
3 stories: bicycle, guitar, forest path, all the same message.
Repeating builds something. It's not boring, it's building.
Repeating is not boring. Repeating is building. Now I want to share 3 secrets, 3 ways to use repetition to improve your speaking.
I want to try all of them.
Secret number 1, the echo.
The echo. Like an echo in the mountains?
Yes, in the mountains you shout and the sound comes back. That's an echo. And this technique is the same. When you hear an English sentence, you say it back right away, like an echo. It works with podcasts, videos, songs, anything.
So if Judy says, I love this song, I say, I love this song.
Exactly. Right away. Don't wait, don't think, just echo. Copy the sounds, copy the rhythm, copy everything.
Let me try. Say something.
The weather is beautiful today.
The weather is beautiful today.
I'm going to the supermarket.
I'm going to the supermarket.
See? Fast, natural.
That felt easy.
It's easy because you didn't think. You just echoed. Your mouth copied the sounds before your brain could worry about grammar or vocabulary.
My mouth learned before my brain could panic.
Exactly. The echo works because it's instant. No time for fear, no time for translating, just sound in, sound out.
I can do this with any podcast, any video. Just pause and echo.
Yes, every sentence is a chance to echo. Secret 1, the echo. Hear it, say it immediately. Good. Next secret, the 10 times rule.
10 times?
Yes, When you learn a new phrase, don't say it once, say it 10 times.
10 times? The same phrase?
The same phrase 10 times, out loud.
Won't I feel silly?
Maybe, but it works. Let's try. Say this phrase. That's all, thank you.
That's all, thank you.
Again.
That's all, thank you.
Again, faster.
That's all, thank you. That's all, thank you. That's all, thank you.
How does it feel now?
Easy, natural. My mouth knows where to go, my tongue knows the shape of the words.
After 6 times, it's already getting smooth. After 10 times, it's almost automatic. After 20 times, you'll never forget it.
I said that's all thank you so many times at home. Max looked at me. He tilted his head, like, are you talking to me?
Your dog was confused?
I think Max learned the phrase before I did.
The 10 times rule is simple. Pick one new phrase every day. Say it 10 times out loud. In the morning, before breakfast, while making coffee, anywhere.
One phrase, 10 times, every day.
After 1 week, you have 7 new phrases. After 1 month, 30. All of them smooth and automatic.
That's powerful. Very, very powerful.
Last secret, and I love this one.
Tell me.
Secret 3, slow then fast.
Slow, then fast. What does that mean?
When you repeat a new phrase, start very slowly. Break it into pieces. Say each word clearly. Then repeat it a little faster and a little faster until you reach normal speed.
Like a car. Start in first gear, then second, then third.
Perfect example. Let me show you. The phrase is, I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
That's a long phrase.
We'll start slow. Say each word separately. I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
Good. Now connect the words a little. I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
Faster. One smooth sentence. I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
One more time, even faster.
I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
Smooth, natural, beautiful.
It's like building speed on a highway. You don't start at full speed, you build up.
Yes, slow, then fast. This technique is very important because it teaches your mouth the correct movements. When you go slow, your tongue, your lips, and your jaw learn the right positions. Then when you go fast, they already know where to go.
Slow builds the path, fast uses the path.
I love that. Secret 3, slow, then fast. Build speed little by little. Now, I want to speak to our listeners.
Yes, this is very important.
Many of you understand a lot of English. You can read, you can listen, but speaking feels hard, and you think, something is wrong with me. Why can't I speak?
I thought that too, for a long time.
But nothing is wrong with you. Your brain has the English inside. The words are there. You just need to build the road from your brain to your mouth. And the only way to build that road is repetition.
Repeating is building.
Don't feel embarrassed about repeating. Don't think it's boring. Every great musician repeats. Every great athlete repeats. Every great speaker repeats.
The best people in the world are the best at repeating.
Start small. One phrase today. Say it 10 times. Tomorrow, another phrase, 10 more times. And in 1 month, you'll be amazed at how many phrases lived in your mouth, ready to use anytime.
You don't need to be perfect. You just need to repeat.
Your mouth is learning. Every single time you repeat, it gets better. Even when you don't feel it, it's getting better.
Repeating is not boring. Repeating is building.
You can do this. We believe in you. Okay, let's review.
Yes, let's see what we learned.
Today, we talked about the power of repeating.
Yes, why saying things again and again makes your English stronger.
We shared 3 stories.
Story 1, learning to ride a bicycle. You fall many times, but your body learns through repetition.
Story 2, a musician plays the same notes many times until the fingers move automatically.
And finally, walking on a forest path. Each time the path gets smoother and easier.
And we shared 3 secrets.
Secret 1, the echo. Hear a sentence, say it back immediately.
Then, the 10 times rule. Say each new phrase 10 times out loud.
And last, slow, then fast. Start slowly and build up speed.
And the big idea today?
Repeating is not boring. Repeating is building.
And I think our listeners learned a lot too. Well, that's all the time we have for today.
Thank you so much for listening to Enjoy English Talks.
Yes, thank you, everyone.
Please subscribe to Enjoy English Talks
Give this episode a like.
and share it with a friend.
Now, we have a question for you today.
Yes, please leave a comment below.
Tell us, what's one English phrase you want to practice this week? Write it in the comments and try saying it 10 times today.
We would love to read your answers.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing your English.